Hey Xiaomi users, are you tired of your phone's battery dying at the most inconvenient times? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into some essential battery hacks that will keep your Xiaomi phone running longer and stronger. Want to keep your phone's battery in prime condition? Whether you're a heavy user or just want to make sure your phone lasts through the day, these tips are for you. I've got 5 awesome tricks to boost your Xiaomi battery life. These are simple yet effective methods that anyone can follow. Let's dive in. First up, activate airplane mode or turn off your phone when charging. This trick works wonders if you're in a hurry. By cutting off all connections, your phone can focus solely on charging, making the process faster and more efficient. Your phone stops consuming power to stay connected to networks, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, allowing the battery to charge more efficiently. This is especially useful when you need a quick boost before heading out. Power consumption is cut to 0 when you switch off the phone. Simple, right? It's a small step that can make a big difference in your charging speed. Next, always use authentic chargers and cables. Using the cable and charger that came with your Xiaomi phone is crucial for battery health. These accessories are designed to work perfectly with your device, ensuring optimal charging. Third-party chargers can be unreliable, causing wasteful charging or overheating. This not only affects your battery life but can also be a safety hazard. If you don't have your original charger, grab a certified Xiaomi-approved charger. These chargers are tested and verified to be safe and efficient for your device. Tip number 3, plug in the charger directly to a wall plug. Avoid power strips whenever you can. Power strips can add electrical resistance, which can lead to energy loss and unstable charging. They add electrical resistance, causing energy loss and unstable charging. This can slow down the charging process and even damage your battery over time. Plugging directly into a wall outlet gives you efficient charging and better battery protection. It's a simple change that can have a big impact on your battery's health. Fourth, prioritize wired charging over wireless charging. Sure, wireless charging is convenient, but it generates excessive heat. Heat is one of the biggest enemies of battery life. Heat can shorten your battery's lifespan. Over time, this can lead to reduced battery capacity and the need for more frequent charging. Plus, wireless chargers are less efficient. They often take longer to charge your phone compared to wired chargers. So, stick to cable-based fast charging for better battery conservation. It's faster, more efficient, and better for your battery in the long run. Finally, don't let your phone's battery drop below 20%. One of the biggest mistakes is letting your battery drain to 0. This can cause long-term damage to your battery. Lithium-ion batteries, like the ones in your Xiaomi, wear out faster when discharged to low levels repeatedly. This can lead to a decrease in overall battery life. Try to start charging at around 20% and unplug once it's at 80 to 90%. This range is optimal for maintaining battery health and longevity. Follow these charging habits, and your Xiaomi phone's battery will stay in tip-top shape, lasting longer and performing better. Remember, it's okay to break these rules occasionally, but make them your daily routine to avoid untimely battery degradation. Consistency is key to maintaining a healthy battery. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Take care and happy charging.